T.S. Eliot, Auden, Yeats, all believed that In Parenthesis was the pinnacle of First World War writing. In fact, I think it was Auden that said something along the lines of, David Jones has done for the British and the Germans what Homer did for the Greeks and the Trojans.
You ought to ask, why? What is this? What's the meaning of this? Because you don't ask, although the spear shaft drips, there's neither steading, not a roof tree. I am the single horn thrusting by night stream margin in Helion.
It's important for me emotionally and psychologically and atmospherically to have some sense of where it all took place.
Shakespeare can produce epic historical plays on a wooden O with nothing more than a stage, and we wanted to do something similar to that.
This is the steelwork frames for the timber flattage to be supported. And this is going to be moving around and lifted up.
After all the planning and discussion and reading and so on, it's finally three-dimensional reality. So you actually have to move real live bodies around the stage.
It's been kind of exciting because this is the first time we've all seen the mechanics of the set and the raising of the platform, and we talked about the sap trench today, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing how that actually pans out and how I'm going to be getting into that and everything.
Things are really coming together in the rehearsal room. But also orchestrally, the orchestra had their first playthrough yesterday.
It's actually the first time that the real orchestral sound is heard ever.
Although we're really lucky here at WNO that we've got our rehearsal studios and we can quite often fit most of the set elements in, this is the first time that we've actually had the full set on stage.
We've got General Jonathan Riley from the Royal Welsh Fusiliers coming to drill the gents chorus on their parade drill. We had him in rehearsals and that was fantastic, and he's coming back again to impart his knowledge and scare everybody a little bit. Mm-hmm.